Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a workspace in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and then from here to create a workspace is very simple. All we have to do is click on our name of our profile on the top left of our screen, just like here. Click on that, and then from here you would see the three dots right here just beside your email. Wait, here's in my case, I would use this email and create a new workspace for this one. So I'm going to click on this one and click on join or create workspace. And from here, you can choose on which is your purpose for this workspace, depending on what you want. In my case, I'll just go for personal use and click on continue. And now it's getting things ready right here. So all we have to do now is wait. And then just like that, after you have waited long enough, then you would have your new workspace right here. So when you navigate back right here, you'd be able to see two workspaces right here in this email, because this is where we created the workspaces from. But if you want it to be in your other email, just like this one, then this is where you would want to click the create workspace button right here. And also, you can do it right here. You can rearrange that as many times as you want and add members and its settings right here. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.